Hi everyone. I hope everyone's doing good. And today is the 13th of July 2022. My name is Ruhi Khai and I've picked up some stuff from the brand Tchibo and I thought of unpacking on the video. So let's get started. Okay, so this brand is called Brands for Less, and I've picked up some stuff from the brand called Tchibo. Tchibo is a German based brand and they have really good stuff. So let's get started. Let's unpack the things that I picked up. it's not uh, it's not an ad. This is the stuff that I paid for and I've picked up from this brand because they've got really good stuff. Okay, so yeah, so the quality of their clothes are really good. That's why I like shopping from this brand Tchibo. Oh god. So this is a nightie. You can like buy a pair of shorts or leggings and make it into a night suit. The price of this, just give me a second. Yes, I'm back. So yeah, so this is a nightie. Comes with its eye mask. So this was so also I shopped at the time when they were having a sale and everything was 30% flat discount. So this was 32 dirhams. Just give me a second. This is how it looks. Nice, loose, baggy nightie. And also you can wear it as yeah, also you can wear it as a, oh god, house coat with the night suit inside. Yeah, so I was just checking. This nightie was supposed to come with an eye mask, but it's not there in this packet. Oh, I think it'll be somewhere inside if it has pockets. No. I can't find it. It's okay, I don't really use eye masks, so it's fine. So yeah, picked up this for 32 dirhams. A similar nightie. So that's 100% cotton. And so is this. This is how it looks. What I really like about this brand is that they have really good quality and they have good sizes. So everyone can shop from here. So this is how this nightie looks. You can wear a t-shirt, you can wear something like if you're traveling, like I would wear this out also. It looks so nice. The quality is so good and this is 100% cotton, so it's really good, comfy. And that nightie is for just give me a second. gonna take time. Yes, so this nightie is for 32 dirhams after the discount. Okay. And then we have another nightie. So all my night suits are worn out, so I thought of picking up some clothes that I can wear at home. Some nighties, because I wear a lot of night suits. And I thought with these nighties I can put on shorts or leggings and looks good. So this is another one. It's nice and comfy and pretty color. It says simplicity on it. Yep. And this is also cotton, and this is the cotton made in Africa, but the nightie is made in Germany, so that's good. And that nightie was for 22 dirhams after discount, so that's quite cheap. 22 dirhams. Picked up another nightie. This is not really a nightie. It's like a lounge dress, you know, you can wear it out too. See, this is how it looks. And let me tell you the price of this before I open it. I think that will be better, because this phone keeps going off. Give me a second. Where did it go? This is also for 22 dirhams, okay? This is also for 22 dirhams. Let's open it. This is how it looks. They're all quite loose and baggy, because that's how I wanted my nighties to be, little loose, baggy and comfortable. So yeah, this for 22 dirhams. Looks good. This is similar to that one, but this is got a print on it. I like navy blue color. I like all the colors, but that day I guess I was feeling very navy blue, so I picked up this. I'll tell you how much is it. This is how it looks. This is how it looks, okay? And just give me a second. This was after 30% discount. This nightie is for 18 dirhams, 18. This is how cheap it is. I mean, the quality is great, but it's very cheap in price. So this is 18 dirhams. This is how it looks. Cute. You see the print? I'll tell you what it says. 1 in a million. Cute, right? 1 in a million. and it's got stars and it's very pretty. Cute. This is 18 dirhams. Okay. Then I picked up this one pant. It's you know, the jersey material, soft, comfy pant. Oh God, just give me a second. This is how it looks. It's quite comfy, soft jersey material trousers. Like, you can wear it out. It's got a nice thick lace to tie in the front. It's pretty. So this one, after 30% discount, it's for 19 dirhams, 19, and it's really good quality. 19 dirhams. Under 20 dirhams I got this pant after 30% discount. It's really good, soft. Let's move on to the next one. This is another pant. See? You can make out. This is also similar to that one, but it's got a different print and different color. And let's open it. Give me a second. This is how it is. It's got a different cut. It's a little loose from down. It's quite soft. It's like a lounge pant, kind of like, you know, just to chill. It's really nice and soft. So this was for phone keeps going off. This was for 18 dirhams also, which is really nice. 18 dirhams, okay? And I picked up this skirt. It's a nice pretty skirt. This is how it looks. I don't know if you can see it. So this, I think you'll have to wear a slip-in. They don't have a lining. They've not put a lining in the skirt, so yeah. This is how the skirt looks. It's really pretty. This is not cotton. This is a mix of blend materials, and it's really pretty. But you can put in a slip inside, and this is how it looks. See? It's so pretty. It's got these folds and taperings. It's a very pretty skirt. I guess I was feeling red and navy blue, because if you see, most of my things are red and navy blue. That day, the day I picked up these things online. Okay, so this was the original price is 49 dirhams, but after discount, 30% flat, it's for 34 dirhams. The skirt is for 34 dirhams, and it's really pretty. The best thing is, like, if you're traveling, you can just, you know, it'll fold tiny and you can put it in your bag. So you can just wash it like a scarf and just see how much of space you'll have in your bag. So tiny. It's cute. Red. Okay, so this is how it's like a hoodie dress. It's got a nice cute hoodie. It's like a tracksuit but in a dress. It's really cute. And this is so this is 48% cotton and 47% model, and it's got 5% elastic. So basically it's cotton only. I don't know what is model made up of, the model material, but it's mostly, I think it's cotton, I'm not sure. It's really cute and pretty. Wait, I'll just show you. Give me a second. Yeah, this is the hat. This is the cap. The cap, the hoodie, and this is the dress. This is how it looks. It's quite big. But it's got that whole, it's got pockets and the whole loose baggy look. You can just wear it with a pair of white kids. It looks really nice and soft. It's very soft and comfortable. So yeah, so this one was for, so sorry, I'll have to edit a lot, I think. Yeah. So this one was for $39 after 30% discount. This hoodie dress, it's really nice and thick and soft. So this was for 39 dirhams after 30% discount. Navy blue. I just realized whatever I shopped was navy blue and red color. At least I know these two colors I don't have to buy for a long time now. Okay, so this is 68% cotton and 32% polyester. Yep. Organic cotton. And this is a sweatshirt kind of a top. This is how it looks. Okay. They've got really good packing. They've packed up everything really nicely. I forgot to remove it. Okay, this is how it looks. It's a nice, cozy, soft sweatshirt t-shirt. Sweatshirt top. And it's got a purple color lavender heart. It's nice, it's soft. I like soft clothes. It's nice and cozy. And that navy blue sweatshirt was for it was for 32 dirhams after 30% discount. So yeah, I got it at a good buy. I picked up a top, a t-shirt, and this is, what is it? This is 100% cotton. Yeah, this is 100% cotton. This is how it looks. I don't know if you can see it. This is how it looks. Let's just open it. Oh yeah, this is how it looks. Oh yeah, sorry. I'm gonna reuse all these bags for other things, for keeping my shoes. And also I try and reuse all these rubber bands. Okay. Yes. So I don't really have many tops or t-shirts because I'm always in tracksuits and sweats. So this is good. This is how it looks. It's really nice and soft. This is 100% cotton. It's really pretty. It's nice. So this t-shirt was for for 19 dirhams. This is really nice. So I got this t-shirt for 19 dirhams within 20 bucks, which is really good. And it's 100% cotton. Next, we have a white colored t-shirt. So this t-shirt that I'm wearing also is from Tchibo. It's like 4-5 years old. I've worn this a lot and it's so soft. The spaghetti also that I'm wearing is from Tchibo. It's also quite a good t-shirt. I mean quite a good spaghetti. It's soft, and this t-shirt also is from Tchibo. Both of these are like, you can say 4 years, 5 years old, and they don't wear out. If you see, the quality is really good. It's really nice. They're quite long lasting. They've got good quality clothes. Yeah, that's the spaghetti. Okay, so this is the white t-shirt. This is also 100% cotton. I'll just tell you the price for this. So yeah, this is for 27 dirhams after 30% discount. Okay. That's how it looks. Okay. It's a plain white t-shirt. Plain white top. It's really pretty. Then I picked up some sweaters. Some as in I picked up 2 sweaters. So this is one. I know we're in July, but then these things were on 30% flat discount and I was like, I know I need sweaters for the winter. And this is 100% cotton. It's more of a spring sweater, but then I think if you wear thermals inside, it will be fine. This is how it looks. And I'll just tell you how much was this for. Yeah, so this after 30% discount was for 41 dirhams. It's good quality. It's good stuff. And I think the most expensive thing, second most expensive thing in this whole box, it's 41 dirhams. You know, I think if you go to other brands, you don't even get a pair of socks for 41 dirhams. It's like you have to wait for the sale, and then you might get 2 or 3 pairs of socks on sale for 40 bucks. But this is such a good quality sweater that I got for 41 bucks, 41 dirhams. Okay, I'll open it and show it to you all. It's 100% cotton and it's very pretty. And as I said, if it is very cold, you can wear maximum heated thermals inside. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's very, very, very soft and very pretty. See, it's got these cute golden buttons. And this is how it looks. It's cute. So yeah, this is really nice. Let's see what's next. I'm so nervous. Okay. So this is the sweater we have next. It's a cardigan. And this is 35% polyester, 31% wool, 15% polyamide. I don't know what that is. I have to Google. And 15% polyacrylic, acryl, and 4% elastic. So basically 35% polyester and 31% wool, and the rest is also polyester and 5% elastic, but it's a different blend of polyester. Acrylic wool that you get, they put that too in this. So this is how it looks. Okay, and it's quite a pretty color, purple. It's soft dark lavender. Second, shades of purple. This is how it looks. It's not bad at all. It's got 31% wool, so that's good. It's quite soft. It's nice for winter, but you have to wear more clothes in this. Okay, it's quite thin. And this cardigan was for 43 dirhams after discount. So this also is like, that was for 41, this is for 43 after discount. Okay, it looks nice. I'll have to try it on and see whether I really like it. But I like the color and it's good for winter. Let's see. So this dress was one of my favorite things that I was looking forward to. This is a woolen dress. It comes till your knee. It's for the winter. This is how it looks, and it's got 28% wool and the rest is all polyester, polyamide, acrylic and all that. So yeah, it looks really nice. But yep, yeah, it has elastic 3% and the rest is polyester. So yeah, this is how it looks. which is nice. And it's quite loose, so I can wear in thermals when I go to a winter place. I can add in more clothes and then wear this on top. It's really pretty. Pretty and plain and soft. Nice. So that dress was the winter dress. It was for that winter dress was for 50 dirhams. This one, it's for 50 dirhams, okay, after discount. So I think this, was the most expensive item in this box. This is 50 dirhams after discount, and it's really nice. And this is a tracksuit, or you call it a lounge suit or a leisure suit. It's a set. You get both of them together in this. See? It's the top, it's the pant, and this is 80% cotton, 20% polyester. So this is really good quality stuff that I'm holding right now. This is how it looks. This is, I'll just tell you what. So this is 49 dirhams after discount, which is really good because I've got the top and the pant together. And that's like nothing. Over here, you know, they sell everything separately, and it's 200 for the top and I don't know, 250 for the pant or whatever. But right now what I'm holding in my hand, it's like the top and the pant that I got together, and it's 80% cotton, 20% polyester, and after 30% flat discount I got this for 49 dirhams, which is great. So I'll just show you the pant. This is how the pant looks. Okay, it's not bad at all. It's nice for, like, you know, literally a leisure suit. It's really nice. Feels good, it's soft. And this is the hoodie. Just give me a second. This is how it looks. It's got a little cap. Yeah. So I picked up everything a little loose because I like to wear clothes inside if it was winter time. So you can double your clothes. That's how it looks. Then I picked up these face masks. So these face masks were like, I think this one was for 8 dirhams. So they're like 3 in a pack. And one is for 12 after discount and one is for 13. So they're all 3 in a pack face masks. And they're all 100% cotton. And this is a spaghetti. I'll just tell you the price, one sec. It's for 19 dirhams after discount. This is really good quality. I'll just open and show it to you. This is 94% model and 6% elastic. So it's like a soft jersey cotton. Just give me a second. This is how it looks. Feels good and it's very soft and very nice, very good quality. It's really good. So that was 19 dirhams, okay? And then I picked up these 3 vests. They're like sleeveless tops to wear inside my clothes, like spaghetti, but with broad straps. Oh, so this is the one, this is two of them, and this is 100% cotton. It's to wear inside my tops or inside my jackets. It's really pretty. Oops, sorry. Ugh. It's the classic black and white vest, 100% cotton, and those were for two pieces, yeah. So these 2 pieces were for 19 dirhams. And the same thing I picked up in 3 pieces. So these, it's the same vest, different color, get an extra white. So this is also 100% cotton, 95% cotton, 5% elastic. So there are 3 colors: navy blue, light baby blue, navy blue, light blue, and white baby blue. So these were for 22 dirhams. This is how they look. I'm not planning to open it. Okay, I'll just open it. Everything's falling. Okay, this is how it looks. You can wear this inside your clothes. You can wear it out. They've got nice broad straps. You can even wear it for working out. It's really good quality. Yeah, and then I picked up this spaghetti. It's a green color spaghetti, and that was for 13 dirhams after discount. Actually, I really like this color, and I have a pink color skirt. I want to wear this with my pink color skirt. See how it looks. How it looks. Yep. And forgot to mention this is made up of (95% model and 5% elastic, which is soft like anything, and it's really nice, good quality stuff. And I picked up 2 underwears. I have to see it if they're proper. Yes, yeah, perfect. Yeah, they're fine. proper cotton underwears. Just tell you the price of the underwears. It's 13 dirhams. And these are 16 dirhams, sorry. These are 16 dirhams. And I picked up 2 more. So both are cotton. These are also cotton. Regular underwears, and these are 13 dirhams. Now that I've unpacked everything, I'm done. Yeah, I'm done with my video. Thank you so much. So thank you for watching my video. Oh God, please. This was quite a long video. I'll have to try and shorten it out. So yeah, I'm done with the whole unpacking of all the clothes. I think the second video I can try on the clothes and show you all what I'm gonna keep. If everything fits properly, I'll just try it on. That can be a part 2 of this video. Let's see. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and please like this video. Thank you. Bye. Thank you so much. So yeah, finish unpacking the whole box. Okay. So yeah, if you all want to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel and please like and share this video. And if you all want to see me try on these clothes or the way I style them, then please see my next video. That's about it. Thank you so much. Bye. So yeah, finish unpacking the whole box. Okay. So yeah, if you all want to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel and please like and share this video. And if you all want to see me try on these clothes or the way I style them, then please see my next video. That's about it. Thank you so much. Bye. Hi, my name is Ruhi Khai and it's Hi, my name is Ruhi Khai. I hope everyone's doing good. And today is the 13th of July 2022 and I thought of doing a clothes haul. I picked up some clothes from the brand Tchibo and I thought of sharing this. Oh no. Hi, my name is Ruhi Khai and I'm gonna be making a this guy is so naughty.
So when you want to do that, just come a little close. When you want to
Oh
show.
no, it started recording on its own.